Dear friends, in this episode we are going to learn what is alcohol. An alcohol or ethanol or ethyl alcohol is the ingredient found in beer, wine and spirits that causes drunkenness. So, an alcoholic drink is a drink that contains ethanol, a type of alcohol produced by fermentation of grains, fruits, or other source of sugar that acts as a drug. The consumption of alcoholic drinks, often referred to as drinking, plays an important social role in many cultures. But excess drinking of alcohol is harmful to health and also referred as alcoholism. So now question is, what is alcoholism? So alcoholism is excessive and repetitive drinking of alcoholic beverages to the extent that the drinker repeatedly is harmed and harms the other. The harm may be physical or mental. It may also be social, legal, and economic. If you find this episode interesting, please do follow us and also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to learn chemical properties of alcohol and also download PDF notes on alcohol from our websites under PDF sections. Thank you to listening this episode.